Saying that lemons are a superfood is an understatement. Not only do they add abundant flavor to a variety of dishes, but they also boast a ton of health benefits. The flavonoids within the juice are said to contain antioxidants, which is why lemons are useful in treating so many ailments and conditions. Juicing your lemons only will not give you the maximum of their benefits, so we suggest that you freeze them. This article will help you understand why this method is so great for you. Lemon peels contain tons of great stuff. Compounds found in lemon peels have the power to boost the immune system, normalize cholesterol levels and even prevent the development of cancer. The peels of this citrus fruit provide strong antimicrobial effect, and are believed to prevent bacterial and fungal infections. This is of great importance in the removing process of internal parasites and worms. As you well know, lemons are an essential part of every detox method, regardless of whether you are preparing lemonade, lemon water or lemon tea. Health benefits. Experts have associated the consumption of fresh fruits and veggies with a decreased risk of many lifestyle-related ailments. We give you the greatest powers of lemon. Cancer prevention. Reduced risk of stroke. Excellent treatment of inflammation. Immunity boost. Prevention against asthma symptoms. Effective against dangerous bacteria. Prevention and treatment of depression and stress. Kidney and liver cleanse. Lemons and cancer. Lemons are usually used for their vitamin C content that is mostly concentrated in their juice. But, the latest research has shown that lemon peels provide great nutrients as well. Lemon peels have shown a huge potential in destroying and removing toxic waste from the body. This is the top reason why lemons are often used in the treatment of cancer patients. There is a strong relation between lemons and cancer. Scientists spent decades in wondering and testing whether lemons can destroy abnormal cancer cells. And yes, many studies have confirmed this possibility. After more than 20 laboratory tests since 1970, the extracts revealed that frozen lemons destroy the malignant cells in 12 cancers, including colon, breast, prostate, lung and pancreas. Some research studies have shown that frozen lemons can be more effective in destroying cancer when compared to chemotherapy. Plus, they are a lot healthier and safer solution than chemo drugs. These studies also proved that lemon extract destroys cancer cells while leaving the healthy cells intact. Get the most from your lemons. Lemon peels have 5-10 more vitamins than their juice. Dr. Marilyn Glenville, a nutritionist and expert on women's health, explains that the combination of healthy peels can do good to the overall health. Here's what she said for BBC Food. Most of the antioxidants included in fruit are included in the peel or the pith rather than in the pulp. Dr. Glenville also suggested, smoothie is far better than a juice, since you can consume the whole fruit including the peel, and you will not throw away a single nutrient from the fruit. Citrus fruits are not quite favorite, mostly due to the bitter taste of their skin. But, we give you a recipe that will help you pull out the maximum of your lemons, of course, without a bitter flavor. Freeze your lemons. Wash and disinfect your lemons with organic apple cider vinegar or baking soda. Rinse them well using water, and pat them dry using a towel. Freeze your lemons overnight. Once you notice they are completely frozen, grate the whole lemon. Yes, pulp, peel, seeds and all. Transfer your grated lemons into ice cube trays, and store them in the freezer. In this way you can use them whenever you need a hint of citrus fruit. Then, use it on whatever you are eating. Lemon peels will give a stronger taste to your dishes. Add some grated lemon peels to your salads, soups, yogurt, pasta sauces or homemade ice cream. Add a tablespoon of your grated lemons to your smoothie, juice or tea. They go well in baked goods as well. Trust your imagination, there are millions of ways to use grated lemons.